Principal Retirement Planner Honest Review. Wait before using. Principal Financial Group offer a suite of retirement planning tools and services, including the Retirement Wellness Planner, designed to help individuals access and plan for their retirement goal. The platform provides calculator, educational resources, and account management features to assist users in making informed financial decisions. And here are the key features about this platform which make it stand out compared to other retirement planner, which is the Retirement Wellness Planner. It's part of the key features, and also financial calculator and worksheet together with the mobile app access, which gives a wide range of access for to your retirement planner. And talking about the pros and cons of this platform, it's good to understand the pros and cons of the platform before diving into the feature. So one of the pros is that it comes with comprehensive tools which offer a range of calculator and planning resources to help users understand and manage their retirement service. It also has this user-friendly interface which help get access to online tools, and mobile app are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. It also have these educational resources which help understand articles, giving more access to articles and guides to enhance your users' financial literacy and retirement planning knowledge. And talking about the downside, which is the customer's service concern, the fee transparency, and the makes users review. So that's it. So if you have any further questions or need any information on other retirement planning, feel free to comment down below.